Viewers are reaching out to Western Mass News concerned about the condition of the tunnel that runs underneath the Gerena School in Springfield. The aging school has a public tunnel that runs under the building, and both children and the community alike use it to get from one side to the other.
Recently, water has pooled along the floor, and other health and safety conditions prompted a viewer to ask us about permanent fixes for the building. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us live after getting some answers. Audrey.
Work was done inside to fix some of the issues today. School officials say that puddles are going to be vacuumed up as the ceiling leaks in order to keep the tunnel as dry as possible. But for one lawmaker, he says he wants more permanent fixes implemented. The public tunnel underneath Gerena Community School was in the process of getting a facelift when Western Mass News cameras arrived Tuesday. Recently, the building had pooling water on the ground and other health concerns that were brought to our attention by a viewer. We reached out to Springfield Public Schools and were told in part, quote, last week, a routine tour of the site with an industrial hygienist resulted in a report that the tunnel ceiling is mold-free and included a general maintenance recommendation to simply repaint the ceiling, which is what we saw workers doing Tuesday. But the tunnel, which school officials say is overseen by both the school district and the city of Springfield, has had leaking problems in the past. Our newsroom has received 2 press releases from the city within the last year, promising a project to upgrade the facility. As of Tuesday, we learned from school officials that the project was stalled due to COVID-19 and is now in the bidding process. Representative Carlos Gonzalez says he plans to call a meeting with the mayor, saying more prompt fixes are needed.
They have found money to purchase buildings in downtown. They can definitely find money to fix the school. Kids go to this school, and this needs to be repaired. Whether the city uses rainy day funds, it's raining in there, and we need to repair this school immediately.
School officials say $15 million worth of repairs have already gone into this building. Now, we reached out to the Department of Public Works for a more clear timeline as to when that project is set to be done with the bidding process and going further into building and actually making the repairs to this building. Live in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.